What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. As always, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. At 3,000 subscribers, we're having a giveaway, so make sure you subscribe so you can see that when we launch it. So today we're going to be using the Cerakote trim coat. It's also ceramic coating for your trim, so that means that it's going to be a lot stronger coating and it's going to hold that shine much longer, and it's going to stay really black instead of fading to gray over a short amount of time. It actually is a 200 wash guarantee, so you guys know this stuff will last a while. And today we're going to be installing it on my WJ. I also made a video on my black Jeep a while ago on this stuff, and it's still holding up very well. So let's hop out of the Jeep and we'll go ahead and go over how to install all this stuff, how to apply it, and what it looks like before and after. So when you buy this stuff, it'll come in a box, and the box will contain a bunch of these individual pouches. And inside these pouches will be the actual applicators, which is just basically a cloth, and then you'll wipe it onto your trim that you want to coat, and it'll put the coating on there. It'll ceramic coat it so that way it stays dark. You can use it on your handles, your mirrors, trim on the back. We're going to go ahead and do all of this stuff in this video so that way that it works out well. You're going to want to wear gloves because this stuff's not ideal to get on your hands, and you're going to want to make sure you clean it off your paint if you get it on any of the paint of your vehicle. So once you open it, this is what you got, just a little cloth with all the stuff on it. And literally all you do is wipe it onto your trim. You're going to want to make sure you get it coated nice, and you don't want to miss any spots because it'll show when it's all dark, except for the one spot. And you just want to make sure you get all the sides. You're going to get everything, and you literally just wipe it on. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this handle. Then I'll show you guys the other handle before and after. The other side will probably be a lot easier to see the difference in just because it'll be in the sun. This side isn't in the sun. So let's go ahead and wrap up this handle. Alright, so now that this handle's done, you can see it's nice dark black, and this one's more of a gray. It's all faded. This definitely looks way better than this one. And it'll actually stay this dark color because it will be ceramic coated as well. So you can power wash it and all that. It can sit in the sun. It's not going to fade. You just want to make sure you get all the corners very well. The corners are a little bit tricky, but it's not hard at all. I mean, it takes 20 minutes to do the entire vehicle. Fairly simple. Like I said, you're going to make sure you wipe it off the paint if you get it on any of the paint. That way it doesn't mess up your paint at all. These cloths also last a while, so we're going to go ahead and do the other handles and show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so I went ahead and actually headed to the other side of the car because it's in the sun and it looks way better. And you guys can see the difference this makes, and also why you're going to want to get every little spot. I still have to touch up on the inside and everything. We're actually still in the same wipe from the other side, so these last a while too. So let me go ahead and wrap up this handle, and then I'll show you guys how it looks completed and everything like that. And we'll compare a fully done handle to a fully not done handle on this side. And just like that, we went ahead and finished up this handle. Now, as you guys can see, the difference here is insane. This looks 1,000 times better. Now, it is still drying, so it'll lose a little bit of that gloss, but it'll remain that really dark black. So any of the inconsistencies you see are just the drying out. It has to dry a little bit, but this will last up to 200 washes. They guarantee it. And I can actually also tell you guys that it'll last that long because I have it on my black WJ, and that thing's been sitting out in the sun for a year now. Honestly, probably coming up on 2 years, and it's still, you can tell that I ceramic coated half of it. I'll link these down below for you guys to check out if you want to pick them up. But as you guys can see, we're still on the first wipe from doing this handle, that handle, the mirror. Then we went ahead and moved over to this side, and we've also done one of these handles. I just have to do the front handle, and I have to do the mirror still. We're actually going to move on to the back now, though, and show you guys how it works back there on all the trim on the window, like the hinges and everything like that. So just like before, we're going to go ahead and wipe it down. Now we are kind of running low on this cloth, but it's all right. We can still get a couple more handles out of it. But we're still on the very first one. And those boxes come with like 15 or 20. I forget how many. I think they have different size options you guys can pick from. But these would last so long considering each time you do it lasts months and months. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap up these rear hinges, and I'll catch up with you guys once I get done that. Alright, so I finished up the back. So one of these can really do most of the vehicle. You can also do your bumpers, and the only reason I didn't do my bumpers actually is because the previous owner like spray painted the front bumper or something, and the stuff's just flaking off. So I'm not going to go ahead and put this over it. Just be kind of a waste because I don't think it would really stick very well once it's peeling off. You can do it on bumpers, You can do it on the trim here on the side. Mirrors, you can do handles, obviously. The trim around your windows, you can go ahead and touch that up. The roof rack, that actually shines up pretty well. And obviously the hinges on the rear of the Jeep as well. And this stuff honestly just makes the whole Jeep look a lot better in my opinion. And it's such a simple thing. I have found that this stuff lasts just so much longer than some of the other products out there. Like I said, I have it on this Jeep and it's just holding up very well. So this is probably my favorite trimmer store, and in my opinion, the best trimmer store you guys can use on your Jeeps. So that basically wraps up the video. Before we end it though, I want to go over a few things and tell you guys a couple things. So first of all, big products coming for the WJ soon. I have a couple parts coming in, I think later this week or early next week. They're going to be game changers for the WJ setup, and we're going to be offering them on the website. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. Second, thank you guys so much for all the support on the videos and the new website. You guys have been killing it. I have a bunch of orders to ship out. So thank you to everybody who placed orders and everybody who shows support on YouTube. Also, the final thing, remember we're doing a giveaway at 3,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. You're definitely not going to want to miss this one. It'll be a pretty cool giveaway. So as always, guys, thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.